Hello everyone, Jamaican cherry tree protection in your cold snaps. Okay, they grow very fast. This guy is getting tall and I love it. I love me some tall orchard plants, guys. It's great. I will be honest with you, Jamaican cherries absolutely are not friends with the cold. They hate the cold. So I'm going to tell you right now, here's how we can save them during our Florida cold snaps, okay? So what temperatures are damaging your Jamaican cherries? Damage starts at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to start seeing leaves drop off of your Jamaican cherry trees around 35 degrees and below. The entire Jamaican cherry tree can be killed, root system and all, if it gets to freezing, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? This is the only way to protect these guys. If you take anything out of this video right here, these Jamaican cherries, if it's going to get that cold, you need to keep an eye on your weather, guys, if you have these kind of tropical plants, okay? They absolutely have to be covered completely. You want to use a frost cloth and a blanket on top for insulation. You really want to warm these puppies up. Jamaican cherries are not friends with the cold at all. They're very tropical. We're in 10A here, so it's not, you might get one day out of the whole year where it gets that cold. But I'm telling you, please be prepared, because you could have years of development on these guys and lose it all. So one overnight cold snap. I hope that's, if there's one thing you take out of this, it's that. You want to protect everything, the trunk. If you have a potted Jamaican cherry tree, please take it inside or against a house wall if you can't do that, to minimize wind, of course. Let's see how this guy's looking here. Beautiful right now. It's 57. Oh, very beautiful. Love it. Very, very beautiful. You guys, you don't want to prune anything in the wintertime yet, as far as these citrus guys. Let nature take its course, okay? These guys they know what they're doing. Been doing it for thousands of years, okay? Emergency heat boost for your Jamaican cherries. You can add a 5-gallon jug of warm water under the cover. It kind of helps with that insulation. The cover we were talking about. You can also use non-LED. Get some warming Christmas lights if they're available. This time of year, you can get this anywhere. Thrift stores, big box stores. Everybody's got Christmas lights this time of year. Thick mulch helps more than people think. It helps keep that warmth down below. After that freeze, guys, they often start to drop leaves, but they will bounce back. It's okay. Like I said, don't prune anything. Let these trees take their course and do what they do, okay? Don't prune them for many, many weeks. I'm talking like, don't wait till like March, April, honestly. But you do want to water very lightly the next morning, okay? Really, that's it for these Jamaican cherries. I hope you really take that into account, that one night can absolutely destroy years of development on these. So seriously, take that into account. Let me know if you're growing a Jamaican cherry. It's seriously one of my favorites on the homestead. God bless, guys.